In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV using your iPhone and Chromecast. This setup allows you to stream the game from your phone directly to your big screen for a better viewing experience. Let's dive in. To get started, make sure your iPhone and Chromecast are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Next, download the YouTube TV app from the App Store on your iPhone and log into your account, or sign up if you're new to the service. Once logged in, find the live football game you want to watch by browsing the channel broadcasting it, such as ESPN, Fox, or NBC. Before the game starts, tap the cast icon, a rectangle with Wi-Fi waves in the app, and select your Chromecast device from the list. The game will then stream directly to your TV through the Chromecast. You can control playback, adjust volume, and even set up DVR recordings right from your iPhone. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football on YouTube TV with your iPhone and Chromecast, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.